Okay, let's look at 7-2 math lab assignment. We're going to do, I think maybe like the first 11 or so. I don't remember for sure. We'll see. Okay, so the first ones here, they want us to pick the correct answer. Multiple choice, not too bad. We're looking for the correct circle. And since it's x squared plus y squared equals a number, it's going to be a circle. And then you're going to remember the radius squared is going to be 6. So that means the radius is going to be the square root of 6. Now, the center is 0, 0 because there's no parentheses. So actually, I feel like this is the only one that has a center at 0, 0. If I look here, this one might have a center of 0, 0 as well. I'm going to take, I think it's going to be A or C. I'm going to type the square root of 6 into my calculator, and that's about 2.44 for a radius. I think the answer is A. You might have to zoom in to see that better. Okay, the next circle we're going to have to do some work on. We're going to have to do some rearranging of terms, okay? So get the x squared and his friend together, the y squared and his friend together, and then the numbers on the other side. Find the magic number. Half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Add to both sides. Half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Add that to both sides as well. That lets me write this as an x minus 1 squared because you take half of the negative 2. This will be a y plus 3 squared, and this is going to equal 49. So my center is going to be 1, negative 3. When you change the sign, change the sign. So this one could have a center of 1, negative 3. This one cannot. This one cannot. It's going to be either A or D. 49 is r squared, square rooted, and the radius is 7. Which one has a radius of 7? That is going to be your A choice. Okay, same thing as the last one. Arrange some terms here. It looks like we're going to get some decimals, which stinks. X squared minus 5x. And this will be, oops, sadness. And what I have here, a y squared minus 3y. I have 0 for the time being, but I'm going to be fixing some stuff up here. Half of 5 is 2.5. When I square that in my calculator, I get 6.25. So I'll add that here and add that here. Half of 3 is 1.5. 1.5 squared is 2.25. So I get an x, whatever it was when I took it in half, minus 2.5 squared, plus a y minus 1.5 squared, when that was cut in half, and that will equal $8.50. It's not an ellipse. This is a circle. It doesn't equal 1 here. My center is 2.5 and 1.5. Change the sign, change the sign. Looks like all these are possible. We are going by 2s. Wait, this one's not. 2.5. Yeah, this one I don't think is it. The radius squared is 8.5. If you square root 8.5, you get like 2.9. So almost 3. So almost 3 is more than 1 full square because they're going by 2s. This is hard. What do you guys think? 2.5. I think it might be D. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, yeah, that's hard. That's hard because of the scale and everything. But you get 2 chances on it, so I'm pretty sure you get it right. All right, this time we're going to have to draw it, which is not going to be too bad. Arrange the terms, and you get x squared minus 14x. You have a y squared plus 2y, and that 31's on the other side, and that's okay. Half of 14 is 7. 7 squared is 49. Half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Okay, so we get an x minus 7 squared and a y plus 1 squared. and I'm getting 81 here. So first we need to find our center, and our center is going to be 7, -1. When you change the sign, change the sign. The radius squared is 81, which means the radius is 9. So we're going to go to our circle tool, and we're going to put our dot at 7. Oh, they're going by 2s again. 2, 4, 6, 7, -1. Okay, that stinks. Okay, and now we're going to count over 9. Why would they go by 2s? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I think it's right here. Okay, let's try that. Oh, did I miss it? Oh, it looks like I'm down 1. I need to be down 1. Try that. Okay, good. I was a little bit off. Okay, so that would be easier to draw by hand. The circle tool is a little bit of a pain there. Okay, I'm going to stop this video now after just the circles, and we'll do the ellipses on a separate video. So what did I do, 1 through 5?